Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our page General Infotech 786. Thank you for watching our videos and coming up to our channel. We really appreciate it. And if you didn't subscribe yet, just hit the subscribe button above and just search our name General Space Infotech 786. You'll get to our page for sure. And thanks for coming up, tuning up. Let's go to today's video. So today I'm taking you to our garden. Let's go pick some veggies, fresh veggies up. This year we tried to plant some on raised beds. We built it ourselves, put some recycled wood in it, and put some wood in it and cardboard and stuff, and then did a bit of soil, and we had a good result up above here. You can see all the veggies around, and we have nice tomatoes, radish, beets, and some herbs as well. I mean, this is cucumber right here. I mean, tomatoes like everywhere, all around us. You can see these are cherry tomato we plant, and we have to move in because last harvest deer take them off. So this time we have to take care of them, bring them inside the fencing area. So these are good. It's not sweet like the cherry tomatoes are, but that's what I call them as well, cherry tomato, but it's not sweet like what we get from market. But of course they are organic out there. And over here I've been try to experiment like different kind of pruning with them. Some of them we prune really hard from bottom to top, but some of them we just prune a little bit. Some of them we prune from top and let it grow like horizontally, not vertically, sorry. And one more thing to mention, there's no fertilizer used here. It's all natural. My dad made his own fertilizer with the banana peels and putting in water. Turn for the peppers. Some fresh green peppers for the omelette. This is the one, spiciest one we have up here. Let's twist. And these are regular one, not spicy, banana peppers. Don't have too many to grab from. Actually, weather is changing, so crop is getting yellow now. It is Ohio. We know how it is. There's an eggplant. Here's the watermelon. It is too late for watermelon too, but one of them is there. Cute little baby one. There you are. So cute. And there's another tomato plant. Tomato plant is like all over around. This is zucchini. Another tomato plant. This is cantaloupe, but I don't think so it's gonna make this season. It's too late for it. We actually planted late, so that's why. So here we are, the turnips, beets, and zucchini, more zucchini. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.